a new chapter of my Watchtower Social Studies Grade 5. Chapter name means Locating Places on the Earth. Okay guys, let us learn. Locating places on the Earth. Imaginary line drawn on the globe. If we look at the globe carefully, we can see horizontal and vertical lines on it. These lines are not actual drawn on Earth's surface. They are imaginary drawn on the globe. The imaginary horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are called longitudes. These verticals and horizontal lines intersect each other to form a network of lines over the globe, which is known as a grid. This grid help us to locate places on the earth. So, if we know the latitude and longitude of a particular place, then the point where these two lines intersect each other is the exact location of the place on earth, parallels of latitude. The earth rotates on its axis, which is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. The two ends of the axis are the two poles of the earth. The point on the north is called the North Pole and the point in the south is called South Pole. If we look carefully at a globe, we will observe a horizontal circle, divide it in the middle. This is the most important lines of latitude are called the equator. It divides the earth into two equal halves. Each half is called the upper of the north half is called the northern hemisphere and the lower of the south half is known as southern hemisphere. Characteristics of parallels of latitude. The equator is the longest latitude and is therefore called the greatest circle. The other lines of latitude are also circles running parallel to each other and lie between the equator and the two poles. As they run parallel to each other, these lines are called parallels of latitude. Hence, they never intersect each other. The length of the latitude decreases as we move farther from the equator towards the pole. The latitudes are numbered from 0 to 90 degree and the equator is at 0 degree and the degrees of the other latitude keep increasing towards the pole. The north and south poles are at 90 degree latitude, which are just shown as point on the map. Apart from the equator, there are 180 parallels of latitude. Important parallels of latitude. The tropic of Cancer at 23 whole 1/2 north latitude in the northern hemisphere. The tropic of Capricorn at 23 whole 1/2 south latitude is the southern hemisphere. The equator at 0 degree. The Arctic Circle at 66 whole 1 by 2 degree north latitude is the northern hemisphere. The Antarctic Circle at 66 whole 1 by 2 degree south latitude in the southern hemisphere. Meridians of longitude. The vertical lines on the globe are called meridians of longitude. These lines run from the North Pole to the South Pole, crossing the parallel of latitude. The important longitudes are the prime meridians at 0 degree and the international date line at 180 degree. Characteristics of meridians of latitude. All the longitude meet at the poles and are of the equal length. The distance between lines of longitude vary as they are farthest away from each other at the equator and they meet at the poles. The prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude that passes through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London. It is considered to be the standing poles of longitudes. The time of any place is calculated with reference to the pole prime meridians. The time at the prime meridians is known as Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). The international date lines lies opposite to the prime meridian at 180 degree longitude. The prime meridian and the international date line together divide the earth into two equal halves. The eastern hemisphere dominated by the letter E and the western hemisphere dominated by the letter W. Thus, all lines of longitude falling on eastern hemisphere are marked with E and those falling in the western hemisphere are marked with W. There are 180 longitudes in the eastern hemisphere and 180 longitudes in western hemisphere. The international date line separate two calendar date religions lying in the eastern hemisphere are one day ahead of the places situated in the western hemisphere. The calculation time, the word meridian is derived from the Latin word meridianum, which means noon. When the sun shines directly on the particular meridian, any place situated on that meridian has midday or noon. The time of a place is calculated by the longitude or meridian that passes through the place. The time difference between each longitude is 4 minutes. This is because the earth takes 24 to complete one rotation. Okay guys, our chapter is end. If you like this video, so click on the like option, and those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon also. Or guys, if you have any query, write in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.